Hello guys, it's Tendo with a rope jumping home workout today. Rope jumping is the easiest and cheapest way to lose weight since you don't need gym and you still don't need fitness classes for this specific workout. All you need is space, a jumping rope, and a little motivation. These are the benefits of rope jumping. Rope jumping is the best cardio exercise that contributes to a healthy heart. Rope jumping is the best and easiest way to lose weight. Rope jumping tones muscles of the lower body. Rope jumping burns calories. Rope jumping burns stomach fat. Rope jumping improves the skin. This exercise helps in blood circulation in the body and it eliminates toxins in the body. Before we start this exercise, I wanted to explain something about the rope jumping exercise. This exercise is very easy. You can do it at home. You don't need much. You just need your rope, as I explained to you earlier. And trust me, when you start this workout, you will see results in 2 to 3 weeks. You realize that you're losing weight. This is what I use, and it's very easy and very effective. Let's get to the workout. For starters, this workout can be done for 15 minutes on a daily basis. Then with time, when your body has gotten used to the workout, to the rope jumping workout, you can go for 30 minutes on a daily basis. We are beginning with 20 jumping jacks. It's a warm-up. So the next is to get hold of your rope. We are going to rope jump for 30 times. So we are still going to have 30 rope jumps. If you trip on the way, please continue. After the 30 rope jumps, you are going to rest for 4 seconds. Then we are going to have 15 squats. So the next is get hold of your rope. We are going to jump rope for 30 seconds. We are now having high rope jumps. They are going to be 30. After the high knee jump ropes, you rest for 5 seconds. Then you get hold of your rope and we are going to jump for 30 times. Please don't rest yet. We are jumping for 30 times. One more time. We are now having 20 high knees. So we are resting for 8 seconds. After that rest, we are having 3 pairs of pause squat walks. So we are jumping the rope for 30 times again. I know if it's your first time to do this workout, of course, you feel tired so quickly, but please don't give up. We are jumping the rope for 30 times again. We are resting for 5 seconds. Then we close our workout with 30 rope jumps. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading more home workout videos. See you next time.